we're going to explain how to limit the number of characters in Excel cells. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll cover the most common and useful methods. The simplest method is using data validation. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and under Settings, choose Text Length. Then set the maximum value to your desired character limit. This prevents users from entering more characters than allowed. Excel will display an error message if they try. 2. You can also use a formula to truncate text. Let's say your text is in cell A1, and you want to limit it to 20 characters. In cell B1, enter the formula a left A1 term. This formula extracts the leftmost 20 characters of the text in A1. If A1 has fewer than 20 characters, it will display the entire text. 3. For more control, you can combine data validation with the left function. First, apply data validation to limit the input to a specific number of characters, as explained in point 1. Then, use the left function in another cell to display the truncated text. This ensures that even if someone tries to enter more characters than allowed, and the data validation stops them, you still have a consistent, truncated display of the text. If you need to handle different character limits depending on other cell values, you can use nested if statements or choose functions within your left function to dynamically adjust the character limit. For instance, a left A1, if B2510, limits the length of A1 to 20 characters if B1 is greater than 10 and 10 otherwise. Finally, remember that the character limit applies to the display, and in the case of data validation, the input itself. The underlying cell value might still contain the full text, in the case of only using the left function. These methods provide flexibility depending on your specific needs, whether you want to control data entry directly or just manage how text is displayed. Choose the technique that best suits your workflow, data validation for strict input control, or the left function for flexible text manipulation. Remember to adjust the numbers in the examples, like 20 and 10, to reflect your desired character limits.